Hello student, myself Dr. V.B. Sonavne. I am assistant professor in botany in Arts, Commerce and Science College Nandgaon. So we will see how is our TYBSc syllabus. Theory courses new syllabus to be implemented from June 2015. This is a semester third. In this semester include 6 theory paper and annually 3 practical. I will teach you paper 4th, Spermatophyta and Paleobotany, and paper 5, Horticulture and Floriculture. In this video we are going to take a discussion on our syllabus. So let's start. Student, today we are going to discuss only paper 4th, Spermatophyta and Paleobotany. Spermatophyta is also known as Phanerogames, those plants that produce seeds. Spermatophyta means flowering and seed bearing plant. Spermatophyta divided into 2 groups, that is a gymnosperm and second angiosperm. Gymnosperms, gymno means naked and sperma means seed. See that have seeds unprotected by an ovary or a fruit, including conifer, cycads and gingoids. And angiosperm that have flowers and produce seeds, enclose ovules within the ovary wall, including herbaceous plant, shrub, grasses and most of trees. Now we will see the preview of 12 lectures of gymnosperm. First point, introduction, general characters, economic importance and classification according to Chamberlain's in 1934. There will be 2 lectures. In the gymnospermic plant species, plants is a very important source of resin, timbers, etc. Second point, study of life cycle of Pinus and Netum with a reference to distribution, morphology. Next, anatomy means study of internal structure of root, stem and leaves. Next point, reproduction, gametophyte, sporophyte, seed structure and alternation of generation. There will be a 12 lecture. Developmental stages of sex organs are not expected. Now we will see of 24 lectures of angiosperm. First point, origin of angiosperm. There will be 3 lecture. Fossil evidence indicate that flowering plants lower Cretaceous, middle Cretaceous period. Origin with reference to time, place and ancestry, including 3 theories: Pteridosperm theory, second Benitalian theory and third Italian theory. Second point, classification. There will be 4 lecture. This classification is based on similarities and dissimilarities among the organism. First point, review of artificial by a linear system. Second, natural system by a Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Third, phylogenetic system by a Engler and Prandtl classification system. Only general accounts. There will be 4 lectures, including first, second and third point. Second point, Hutchinson system with reference to outline and statements, merits and limitation. And last point, advanced phylogenetic group system. Third, that is APG, third system. Third point, study of following families according to Bentham and Hooker system. There will be a 14 lecture. With reference to systematic position, include all first group and last systematic position, last rank genera and species. Distinguishing characters are silent features of this plant species. Economic importance, general floral formula, floral diagram of following families, such as first family is Magnoliaceae, Caparidaceae, Rhamnaceae, Leguminosae or Fabaceae, Asteraceae or Compositae, Acanthaceae, Apocynaceae, Lamiaceae, Nyctaginaceae, Orchidaceae and last family Cannaceae. Plant identification, there will be 3 lecture. Latin diagnosis and recent trend, use of flora, practicing indented and bracketed key, preparation of artificial key and plant authentication. Plant authentication, proper identification is very important of any organism. Now we will see the preview of 12 lectures of paleobotany. Paleobotany means study of fossil plants, means plants and animals that lived thousands of years ago, which has turned into rock. First point, geological time scale forms general concept. Geological time scale means is the calendar for events in earth history. It subdivides all times into named units of theoretical times called in a downward order of duration. Second point, fossil include a definition, process of fossil formation, types of fossil, impression, compression, petrifaction, peat cast and coal ball. There will be 3 lectures. Fossil means any preserved evidence of life from a past geological age, such as the impression and remain of organism embedded in stratified rocks. The mineralized remains of an animal or a plant. Third point, study of following fossil group. There will be 8 lecture. First group, Psilopsida, include a salient feature of order Psilophytales, external and internal morphology of Rhynia. Include a salient feature of order Lepidodendrales, external and internal morphology of Lepidodendron. Third, Spinopsida, include a salient feature of Calamites, external and internal morphology of Calamites. Next, Pteridosperm, include external and internal morphology of Lignopteris, Oldamia. And last, Pentaxyle, include a salient feature, external and internal morphology of stem. For example, Pentoxylon, and leaf, Nipaneophyllum. So student, as you have see that how will be our syllabus will be there. So all this lecture we will conduct one by one. You will get the notes of every lecture in a description box or Google Classroom. Thank you for watching the video.